This great 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 4-door crew cab, short bed truck has comfortable pebble beige seats, and is equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, an effortless 5-speed automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Its electronic features include satellite radio, an MP3 player and a navigation system. The safety features on this vehicle include child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 ventilated disc brakes. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.